Is it windy?
I see nothing behind me because it is.
I think it's pretty windy. I hear a bunch of people talking over there.
Oh yeah, that's geese.
Canada geese are still here?
Yeah.
It's mid-October. What's the deal?
No, and we're in the north.
25 degrees.
At night as well, even though it's pretty windy.
8:25 p.m. A beautiful windy fall evening with a huge moon. Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
I can sleep here today.
Woo! Fly in the wind!
Let's go fly. Sorry, I just.
Fly in the wind, go!